Meaning of fair play.
Fair play.
Fair play.
Fair play.
Fair play. Fair play refers to the idea of playing a game or participating in an activity in a just and honorable manner, without cheating or taking advantage of others. It involves respecting the rules and regulations, treating opponents with respect, and upholding integrity. When players engage in fair play, they are able to enjoy the experience, regardless of whether they win or lose. Moreover, it promotes a positive and healthy competitive spirit and helps build strong relationships with fellow participants. Ultimately, fair play is a fundamental principle that guides our actions and promotes a sense of fairness and justice.